Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can end a song with a reverb, or basically just end a song at the end of your clip and it would be done smoothly. Now make sure to subscribe to this channel before we start this tutorial. So for example, I have this song added to my clip, and now let's play it and see how it ends on the end of our video. So it's not really that great, and we need to go ahead and edit it. So we want to go ahead and end our song at the end of the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it until the end of my video. And now you want to go ahead and use this tool at the top, which is a white dot. You want to just drag it like so, and it will basically do a fade in option. And now we can go ahead and play it. But it's not quite good. We can do better. So you want to click on that clip and go ahead and duplicate it by holding, for example, on MacBook, it would be Option and drag it, or on Windows, it would be Alt and drag it. Now, once you have created it, I want to go ahead and cut it somewhere here where it starts to be on the peak again. So I'm just going to cut it here. Let's take a blade and cut it somewhere here. And delete the rest of it at the start and just use this one. Now just click on that end of the clip and create a new compound clip. And rename it. I'm just going to create it just like so. Now you want to go ahead and click on that clip. Click the right click of your mouse and choose Open in Timeline. Now in this timeline, you want to go ahead and duplicate this again. Again, Option and drag it, or Alt and drag it. This second clip, we want to go ahead and make it longer. And click Mute. Mute the track of the second audio. And now let's just go back to the timeline one. Now this lets us to extend the timeline. After this, let's extend our clip because we need to go ahead and add a reverb on the song. So now you want to go ahead and drag this one a little bit. And as you can see, we have a mute here, a muted audio. Now we want to go ahead and add an effect. So that would be a reverb. So go ahead, click on this clip, click Effects, and find a reverb. Now you will find it on Audio, Filters, Effects, and just drag it onto the audio. Now you will need to adjust these settings. So now, first of all, you want to go ahead and maximize reverb time to at least 3,500 maybe, or even more, something like so. And then you want to minimize the room size, and to do this you just drag it like so and make it like 70 or something. This works maybe the best, but you just basically do it how you like it. Now once you have done that, we want to go ahead and listen to this audio now. I would like to adjust it a little bit. So you want to go ahead, click on this clip, and on the inspector option, you want to go ahead to Effects, and here is a reverb. Now you can always play around with these scales, but you can always open up this filter option and play around with these ones. For example, we have a lot of high frequency. So we want to go ahead and do a high frequency, basically turn it off, and maximize this one, low frequency. Let's just look at it, how it sounds. Now it's a little bit better. And we also want to go ahead and play with the output. So we need to make it a little bit less than it is now. You want to play around with your song because it will be different for everyone. I'm just gonna do it like so, and then let's play the clip. So here it is. I now kind of like it, and I think we're done. So if this video was useful, please subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.